Okay, so we've got a watercolour card tag, small, and this is a stencil brush size 9, and I'm popping on some Elements Ink green sleeves. Then adding from the bottom some Elements Ink Blue Lagoon until they meet in the middle. Then I'm adding some Dinkles Yellow. Now I've popped that in a needle tip bottle with some Mica Minerals metallic bronze, and that gives a lovely sheen. And then we lift that back off, and it leaves a lovely pattern behind. So this is the Red Berry Wreath stamp, and I'm just working out where I want it to go. So I've inked it up in VersaFine Clair Nocturne. And I've got one lovely swoop in the centre where the two colours cross, one at the bottom, and I'll have a corresponding one at the top there. There we go. Now, using my Zig Squeeze and Roll 2A glue pen, I'm just creating some wiggly lines that cross over each other. And I'm going over some of the berries in that Red Berry Wreath stamp with this glue pen. Just to bring a little bit of something different to it. Fab foils are great for that. So there we go. I've got the Ranger heat tool, just drying that off quickly until it gets tacky, and I'm applying some Fab foils. This was ice blue. And then we've got some more ice blue over the berries, but only do it in bits. And then the rest cover with some teal Fab foil. I think having two colours quite often lifts it more than just having one. Now, any berries that you feel are a bit left out, add some Liquid Pearls Raspberry. Great for any season, this tag. Just feels like a celebration, whether it's fireworks or not. So I've got a size 3 stencil brush there and some Elements Ink Merlot, and I've just used the bottom corner and along the edge, applying a slight misty frame, if you like. And there you go, my friends. You did it. Well done.